Welcome back, friends, to Surviving a Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. Recently, in a previous video, a viewer, Sarah B, asked me to do a Temu haul video, and of course, I'm happy to oblige. I like Temu. You do need to do your research when buying stuff there, but you can get a lot of great stuff for inexpensive. And three examples of previous purchases I've made right here. So this is a fully titanium pry bar and a magnet, and it is a solid piece of titanium. I did end up picking this up for $14.98, and it's a great little tool. Now, Temu is also a great place for pick up flashlights, and especially if you know the name brands. Now, the Sofirn is a brand name that I'm quite aware of, and they have some great flashlights. This is the SC18, and I picked this up for $19.79, and that is with a 18650 battery, and it's a awesome little flashlight. Now, the first time I picked up a flashlight from them, I picked up the Sofirn SC31 Pro, and I paid, what did I pay for that? I paid $28.34 with the battery. And they are both Type C charging, and they are high output flashlights. Sofirn makes some great flashlights for inexpensive price. But definitely check them out if you are in the market for flashlights. But now, I did pick up some other stuff recently, and this is take number 2, so unfortunately you're not going to see me unbox it, but let's go over what I found. So this right here is a titanium keychain. I picked this up for $4.04, and as you can see, it is titanium. Now, the split ring is not, but again, that's $4.04 for a cool little titanium keychain. So that's item number 1. All right, now the next item I'm a little on the fence about, but Temu does not have a great selection of knives. Be very careful with their selection of knives. They all seem to be inexpensive junk, except for this one. But this one is a copy or a clone, and that's why I'm on the fence about it. It's not a complete counterfeit, but it's pretty darn close. This is a what they call a foldable fruit knife, and I picked this up for $7.48. It is a stainless steel handle with a alloy steel blade. I don't know what the hell that means, but I'm not quite sure what grade of stainless steel materials these are made out of, but as you can see, it says Jamas, Jamas, not James. It's a knockoff of the James brand knife. And like I said, it's a copy, not a complete counterfeit, just for the fact that they made that distinction there. And aside from that, I've never held a James brand knife, so I don't know if there's any other distinctions here. But so for the most part, it's a nice little EDC knife, but if you can get past the fact that it is a copy or a clone. And next, we're going to go with the 7-in-1 portable stainless steel repair tool, and I picked this up for $5.26, and it is a awesome little lockpick set. So it is a 7-in-1, so you have a total of 7 picks and rakes. So you have a screw right there to tighten things down, but have a nice selection of picks and rakes, as well as your tension tool. Now, if you bring this all the way out, you can tighten that down right there, and nothing is going to move. Well, technically it's not supposed to move. Do one at a time. Yeah. So that is your 7-in-1 portable stainless steel repair tool. Get it all back together. Next item, and I don't have information about it. I forgot to write it down, but your ferro rod and steel. I think I picked this up for a couple dollars. So I have yet to try it out. I don't want to try it out in here, but let's see. Let's move along. So we have professional titanium tweezers. Pick these up for $2.99, and they are non-magnetic, so I believe they are titanium. It would be great for picking up ticks off yourself, or splinters, or even working with electronics. So nice little pair of tweezers. They definitely looked a lot bigger in the picture, but that's okay. Tweezers shouldn't be very big. And the last item on the list, and one that I was very excited about and surprised about, it definitely exceeded my expectations, is this no-name brand multi-tool. I mean, it absolutely has not a single marking on it aside from multi-tool. So it's definitely exceeded my expectations. It comes with a decent sheath, so you do have a decent pocket clip, and it is a fairly decent clone of the Leatherman Wave. I believe it's a clone of the Leatherman Wave, but you do have your replaceable cutters, and unfortunately it did not come with spares, but I'm not too upset about that. You do have locking inside tools, and some more tools over here, and you do have locking exterior tools. Now the only thing I did find that I don't like about this, and I believe it can be fixed, is that we do have a lot of wiggle on this blade here. But if I tighten up that pivot screw, I think I should be able to fix that. But I also have a decent pair of scissors, and they are locking. As well as a saw and a two-sided file there. You got that side there and that right there, as well as a depth gauge and ruler on that back side there. But again, I'm very surprised and shocked at the quality of this. I don't know what the steels that this are made up of, but definitely very solid, very beefy. It's coming in at 9 ounces, so it is going to be at least a great pair of knockaround multi-tool pliers. So this did come in at $21.98, but that is my Temu haul. And if you're looking for inexpensive EDC gear, definitely check them out. Definitely do your research, but they are a place that you can go and check out. Now, if you want stuff that to be delivered the next day, don't go to Temu. Temu takes a good, I want to say 15 to 20 days to deliver. Better than AliExpress, and the shipping is free. So, as always, I appreciate everyone watching. I hope everyone's having a great day, and carry on.